Welcome to our Energy Efficiency Toolkit guide. We'll show you how to use the 4 tools included in the toolkit to make your home more energy efficient. First up, we have the Energy Saving Thermometer. This helps you measure the temperatures in each room of your house, inside fridges and freezers, and your hot water supply. Here's how it works. Simply pick a tap that gets hot water fast. Run the hot water until it's at its hottest, then hold the bottom end of the thermometer under running water for about 30 seconds. Check if your hot water temperature is in the ideal zone. If not, you can adjust your hot water system's thermostat. You can also use this thermometer to measure room temperatures. Just place the thermometer in your living spaces and check if the temperature falls within the ideal range for the current season. Adjusting your heating or cooling to within the optimum range can save you energy and money on your energy bill. Now let's check your fridge and freezer. Leave the thermometer in your closed fridge for about 10 minutes, then open and read the temperature. If it's warmer than the indicated range, your food might spoil early. If it's cooler, you are using more energy than is necessary. Next, we have the water flow measuring cup. It lets you know how much water your taps and shower use. Turn the tap on full and hold the cup underneath it with the handles pushed together. When it is overflowing, slowly pull the handles apart. There will be a point where the water level stops going up and stays fairly level. If it's dropping, then push the handles back together. Once the cup is full and staying level, turn off the tap and look at the number on the side of the cup where the handle is pointing. This number will give you the litres per minute of flow. An efficient tap should have a flow rate of less than 9 litres per minute. Now let's talk about the PowerMate Energy Meter. It measures how much electrical power appliances like your kettle, toaster, and modem use while turned on or on standby. With the power switched off, plug the PowerMate into a power point, then plug the appliance that you want to measure into the PowerMate socket. Turn the power point on. Hold the Run button and wait until the screen displays Confirm Clear Data. Then click the Run button to select Yes. Click the Run button to start measuring the energy usage of the appliance. A flashing triangle will appear in the top right corner of the screen to show that the PowerMate is now measuring the appliance's energy usage. Click the menu button until you are in the cost screen. This shows the real hourly, quarterly, and yearly cost to run the appliance. Click the Zoom button to toggle between real, hourly, quarterly, and yearly cost lines. To magnify the figures, hold the Zoom button. Then, click the Zoom button to toggle between each magnified line. Hold the Zoom button to revert back to the normal view. To see the greenhouse gas emissions and energy used by the appliance, click the menu button. The real, hourly, quarterly, and yearly greenhouse gas emissions and energy consumed by the appliance are shown respectively. The Zoom button can be used to toggle between and magnify lines. Be sure to write down your measurements so you can keep track of all your appliances. You can measure an appliance while it's running and while it's on standby mode to see how much you'll save if you switch it off at the wall after you've finished using it. Just remember to clear the data between each reading. Click the Run button to stop the measurement. A flashing pause symbol will appear in the top right corner of the screen to show that the PowerMate has been paused/stopped. Hold the Run button. Then click the Run button to select Yes to confirm clear data. You are now ready to measure your next appliance. Lastly, we have the ProTech non-contact thermometer. It lets you measure the surface temperature of different materials and can help detect energy leaks. You can use it to check things like your fridge, window and door seals, as well as air conditioning units. Hold the thermometer by its handle grip and point it toward the surface you want to measure. Surface temperature measurements are less accurate if taken at an angle. Point the thermometer directly at the surface so the lens is parallel to the target. Pull and hold the trigger to turn the meter on and begin testing. The display will light if the battery is good. If the display light does not work, bring the kit to the library so the battery can be replaced. Release the trigger and the hold display icon will appear on the LCD indicating that the reading is being held. The emissivity reading is the most important one to consider. It is located in the bottom right corner of the LCD screen. The average seal should have an emissivity value of around 0.95. The kits also come with a detailed booklet that contains user instructions and helpful tips on how to save money on your power bills by improving the energy efficiency of your home. Thank you for watching this guide.